Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K.V. Narasimham. So today we will discuss about vector calculus. So today's topic is directional derivatives. Okay. Directional derivatives is the today's concept. So already we discussed what is the directional derivative and everything is discussed in our earlier classes. Today we will discuss about maximum directional derivative. What is the concept? Just try to understand. Suppose we have a level surface. Phi is the level surface. So in the direction of E bar, at a point P, find the directional derivative. What is the procedure? Directional derivative is always normal to the surface. Okay. Now E is the some angle is there. E bar is the direction. Then what is the directional derivative? The directional derivative equals to del phi dot E bar by mod E bar. Already we discussed the concept. Now what is the maximum directional derivative? So in which direction the given function has maximum directional derivative? In which direction the given function or level surface has a maximum directional derivative? Very simple. The maximum directional derivative. The function, I will write here, the function phi has the maximum directional derivative at the point some p is a comma b comma c is simply del phi modulus of del phi in the direction of del phi. So in the same direction del phi, this function has maximum directional derivative. So here here E bar equals to del phi. So now what is the directional derivative formula? Directional derivative equals to del phi dot E bar by E bar. Then what is the meaning? Del phi dot del phi by mod del phi. So del phi dot del phi equals to mod del phi whole square by mod del phi. So finally the maximum directional derivative, this is called maximum directional derivative. Maximum directional derivative equals to modulus of del phi. So in which direction the directional derivative? DD is nothing but directional derivative. So here in which direction the given function has maximum directional derivative? So that one is del phi. In the direction of del phi, the function has a maximum directional derivative or greatest directional derivative, greatest rate of change. Okay. Now what is the value? The magnitude equals to modulus of del phi. So using this concept, we will discuss about one important question. Okay. Now solution. Find the directional derivative. Find the greatest value of the directional derivative of the function here at the point. So what is the formula? The greatest value of the directional derivative is equals to modulus of del phi. Here yes, the function is okay. So f is given. What is given? Given that f equals to x square y z cube. What is del f? Del f equals to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Now find the partial derivatives with respect to x and y and z. What is the partial derivative with respect to x? X square derivative is 2x into y z cube plus j into partial derivative of f with respect to y equals to x square into z cube. Now fine. Partial derivative with respect to z is z cube derivative is 3z square. 3 into x square into y into z square. Okay, fine. At the point, at which point? At the point 2, 1, minus 1. At the point, what is del f? Z cube is minus 1 into y, minus 1 into x, minus 2 into 2, 4i, plus x square equals to 4, I will write here, into z cube is minus 1, that is minus 4 into j, plus 3 into x square, 3x square, x square is 4, 12 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is, okay, total value is 12, okay. Now, what is the magnitude of this one? So, known formula 4 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. Okay, if you common 4, what happened? 1 plus 1, here 3 square, that is 4 root 10. So, the greatest value of the directional derivative equals to modulus of del f. That value is 4 root 10. Very simple question. If you want to find the maximum directional derivative or greatest value of the directional derivative, just find the modulus of del f. Just find the modulus of del f. Now coming to next question. In what direction? Same question, similar question. Now solution. In what direction? Question is, in what direction from the point minus 1, 1, 2 is the directional derivative of the function is, this function is maximum. Then what is the magnitude of the maximum directional derivative? So direction is del phi and maximum directional derivative equals to modulus of del phi. So very simple. If you know the del phi, then it is very simple. Now find del phi. Del phi equals to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Now find the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y and also with respect to z. I into with respect to x, that is y square z cube plus j into, with respect to y is 2xy z cube plus k into, with respect to z is 3x y square z square. So at the point minus 1, 1, 2, at the point minus 1, 1, 2, del phi equals to, so y square is 1, z cube is 8, 8i. Now z cube is 8 into 1, 8 into minus 1 is minus 8 minus 16j. 16j plus k into x is minus 1, y square is 1, z square is 4, so minus 4 minus 12. So in which direction the given function has maximum directional derivative? Okay, that is modulus of del phi. Okay, first we will discuss the magnitude. 8 square plus 16 square plus 12 square. Now common 4 square under the root. Now this is 4 square is nothing but 4, 2 square, here 4 square, here 3 square, nothing but 4 root 29. Now what is the final answer? The required direction is E bar equals to del phi. In this direction, the given function has maximum directional derivative, that is 8i minus 16j minus 12k. Now, what is the magnitude? Maximum directional derivative. Maximum directional derivative equals to 4. That value is modulus of del phi. The value is 4 root 29. Very simple. Now coming to next question. Now this is also very simple. If the temperature at any point in the space is given by, so solution. So T equals to xy plus yz plus zx. Find the direction in which the temperature changes most rapidly or maximum or greatest, all are same. So in which direction, and determine the magnitude, in which direction this function has maximum directional derivative or changes most rapidly, this is nothing but del direction E bar equals to direction E bar equals to mod, direction E bar equals to del t I into dou t by dou x plus j into dou t by dou y plus k into dou t by dou y. Just find the partial derivative with respect to x, that is y plus z into y. If you know the partial derivative, then it is very simple. With respect to y is x plus z into j plus x plus y into k. At the point 1, 1, 1, what is del t? Del t equals to 2y plus 2j plus 2k. Magnitude equals to modulus of del t equals to square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, nothing but 2 root 3. So in this direction, the given function has a maximum directional derivative, and maximum directional derivative is 2 root 3. Very simple question. In the similar way, similar question, the temperature at any point xyz is given by T of xyz equals to x square plus y square minus z. A mosquito is located, just for application purpose, a mosquito is located at a point 1, 1, 2 desired to fly in such a way, in such a direction that it will be warm as soon as possible. This is nothing but, this is also nothing but maximum directional derivative. So just find del t after, this is the direction, this is the required direction. Then find magnitude of this one. Now take it as homework. This is homework for you. So just find del t and modulus of del t, you will get the maximum directional derivative and also directional derivative. Very simple. Just find del t at the point 1.